Sorry to say, they play tricks on an engine who is not used to them. Edward knew all about trucks. He warned Thomas to be careful, but Thomas was too excited to listen. The guard blew his whistle. Peep Peep answered Thomas and started off, but the trucks weren't ready. They screamed, "Wait, Thomas, wait." But Thomas wouldn't wait. Come on, he puffed. We're stopping, called Thomas.
No,
Answered the trucks bumping into each other. But before the driver could stop them, they had pushed Thomas down the hill and were rattling and laughing behind.
Faster.
Screamed the trucks.
I must stop.
There's a station.
Oh dear, what shall I do?
Thomas closed his eyes, trying to stop.
I must stop. I have stopped.
Thank you for watching. If you like this test video, comment down below if I should try to make more Train 20 movie content. I will be making a GR Bubble Room video next Monday, so you can wait for that. Hope you enjoyed.